Is it good to invest in small finance banks or not? If not, what is the reason? Financial expert Mr. Guru Raj will guide us through. Guru Raj, the screen is yours.
So the moment I see it is a higher interest, there is some risk. Whether I want that risk is something which I have to decide. So for me, if you ask me, if I have, let's say, 10 lakh, I want to make a deposit, then obviously my 8 to 9 lakhs will go in a PSU bank, and maybe just to feel it, 1 lakh, maybe I will put it there. But definitely, I would like to avoid investing in small finance banks. Yeah. I'm not anything against the small finance banks. My basic logic is higher return means higher risk. FD, I want my capital to be safe. I don't want that risk, so I will not go beyond public sector bank.
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.